A record number of babies were born in February this year, with the monthly rate of increase also breaking a record. With the upward trend continuing for 20 months, there are expectations that the number of newborns in 2026 could reach a record of 300,000. According to the Ministry of Data and Statistics, a total of 22,898 babies were born in February, marking a 13.6% increase from a year earlier. This marks the steepest increase since 1981, when related data began to be recorded, with the number of births for the months also reaching its highest level since 2019. The country's total fertility rate, which is the average number of children a woman is expected to have in her lifetime, rose 0.1 from a year earlier to 0.93 in February. The ministry said the recent rise in birth was mainly led by women in the 30s, with the number of births per 1,000 women in the early 30s rising by 9.1 to 86.1, and the corresponding tally for women in the late 30s increasing by 9.2 to 61.5. In contrast to the birth rate, the number of marriages in February decreased. However, this was mainly due to fewer working days in the month, caused by the extended Lunar New Year holiday, according to the ministry. Despite the apparent decline, officials say the combined number of marriage registrations for the first 2 months of the year is the highest in 8 years, offsetting the effect of February's fewer working days. The leading indicator for childbirth has also improved, with 351,000 people reporting pregnancies at public health centers, marking a 16% increase compared to last year. Given that pregnancy reports typically correlate with birth rates, expectations are rising that the number of newborns this year could exceed 300,000, which would mark a 7-year high. However, an official said, while the expected birth data is a positive signal, it may not necessarily translate into actual birth for various reasons, so we remain cautious about projecting a return to the 300,000 level.